Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And welcome to 2022, the first video of 2022 that I have uploaded. And what do we have over here? The COVID pandemic is still not over. People are tired of the lockdowns. People are exhausted because of this whole COVID situation. This thing is going on and on and on, and even after getting vaccinated, this thing is not over. New strains are coming around. There is Omicron. Some people are also talking of new strains like IHUs, the strain named IHU. Again, I do not know much about it. Just Google about it if you want to know more about it, because I am certainly not an expert regarding these topics. I have just only done a cursory amount of research. Just seen certain headlines on the internet, and I do not know much about it in detail. So do not expect me to have the most reliable information regarding these things. Just do some googling, and you would know what I'm talking about. There are other many reliable news sites that are putting forward the necessary info regarding these new strains. But a lot of people are saying that the vaccines are not going to be effective, that the vaccines are not going to be successful at preventing infection from these new strains of COVID. I just want to say one thing to them. Just listen to the doctors. The doctors themselves are saying that maybe infection might not be prevented, but severe illness will be prevented if you are already vaccinated, which is also apparent from the hospital data. That if you are already vaccinated, if you already have got the vaccine, if you have already got a double dose vaccination, then and in some cases if you have got booster vaccination, if that is necessary in your country. For example, in Singapore, if I am not mistaken, booster shots are necessary, if I am not mistaken. So if you have got the double dose vaccination or a triple dose booster vaccination, that would also be very good. If you have got that, then you might get infected with this Omicron variant of coronavirus, but severe infection would be prevented, severe illness will be prevented, hospital visits will be prevented, and most of the hospitalization cases of COVID patients are happening in those cases where the people are not vaccinated. So in my opinion, it would be better and more sensible to get vaccinated. Now, a lot of people are saying that God knows what is inside those vaccines, God knows what is inside those things. I'm like, just think about it. If you are really into conspiracy theories and all those kinds of stuff, I mean, even the water that you buy from the counter, that you buy from even, let's say you decide to buy mineral water from a shop, God knows what is inside that mineral water bottle. If you are really into the realm of conspiracy theories, then you should think that they don't need, the so-called Illuminati doesn't need a vaccine to implant some chips in your brain or implant some chips in your body. If they would have done, if they want to do it, they will do it some way or the other. Vaccines are not the only way of injecting some kind of nanochips, some kind of geolocation chips inside a person. There are other ways of doing that, and you don't need to hide that inside of a vaccine dose. There are many other ways of doing that. I mean, if we are talking about nanobots, nanobots being used to spy upon people, if we are really into that, then we can just let go of nanobots in the air, and we wouldn't even see. Means they are nanobots at the end of the day, and you wouldn't be able to see them with the naked eye. So if we quote unquote, we have the risk of Illuminati spying on all of us through nanobots. I mean, they would already be doing that by now, if you are really into that kind of conspiracy theory stuff. Again, I don't know what is truth, what is not truth, and some people are saying that there are nanochips inside that some people have conspiracy theories that there are nanochips inside those vaccines. Some people are saying that the vaccines are not going to be effective. They might have certain side effects down the line, 20 years from now. I mean, Coca-Cola and all kinds of all kinds of food items, junk food items, are obviously going to have a drastically bad effect on people's lives. People still do it because at the end of the day, people are not going to be perfect. People cannot be expected to make the most reliable choice. People are willingly consuming alcohol. So people are more than willing to consume poison, but not willing to get vaccinated because of certain concerns about health. I mean, if you really were concerned about your health, wouldn't you be more eager to not drink alcohol, to not smoke cigarettes, to not do drugs, or at least do drugs in a responsible manner, consume alcohol in a responsible manner? Again, that's my opinion on it. If you are really concerned about health, there are many other avenues of life where you also could be concerned about your health, but you didn't concern at that time. But when it's time to get vaccinated, then you are talking about all the concerns of health, all the concerns of privacy, and all that kind of stuff, all that jazz. We will talk more about this in the next video, or maybe not. Until the next video, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.